Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so start by opening Google and tapping the profile, then select My Activity. This is where your searches are logged. Enabling history lets Google improve results and recall. Once done, verify you're in the correct account. Switching accounts changes which history you'll record. Make sure device sync is allowed, because search history is tied to that account and devices. Don't pause here. Move to the activity controls to turn the feature on so future searches are saved. Now go into Activity Controls and locate Web and App Activity. Toggle it on. You'll see an option to include voice and audio. Enable that if you want spoken searches recorded for improvements. Next, choose Auto Delete. Pick 3, 18, or 36 months or keep until you delete manually. This balances convenience and privacy. Also check whether Chrome and other devices are syncing. If not, enable sync in Chrome settings. Once set, Google will start recording searches across signed-in devices. Finish by saving any changes and verifying in My Activity that recent searches appear. You can filter by date or product to confirm capture. Make sure devices use the same signed-in account and that you're not searching in incognito or guest mode, since those sessions aren't saved. If history still doesn't appear, sign out and sign back in, clear browser cache, and check that third-party blockers aren't preventing tracking. If issues persist, review account permissions and repeat the enable steps to ensure everything sticks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.